So we're gonna jump right into this video and start off by washing my braids. Now, when your braids are itching and you can't really get to those spots, I've been putting a lot of oil on my hair, I went swimming, you have to wash your scalp. What I do is just wash my scalp and then wash the ends of my braids because I feel like they get dirty really easily, and then I put these braids on my pillow. So I just wash all of that, rinse it all out, and I'll be feeling fresh and clean again. My hair is still drying off, but as you can see, it's still very frizzy. But I'm going to go ahead and start by putting oil on my hair. It doesn't matter what kind of oil you use. You can use rosemary, tea tree, castor, coconut. It doesn't matter what oil you use. This oil just happens to be packed with all types of oils in one. So I love using this on my scalp. Next, you're going to need mousse to go ahead and lay down all of your frizzy hairs that's sticking up in the back or on top, to lay all of that down. What I'm going to do is tuck the frizzy hairs that's outside of my braids in the braids while I'm putting the mousse on, so that it'll lay down flatter and you don't really see any of the hairs that's not in the braid out. Just tuck, tuck, tuck. Here I'm going to go in with my first touchdown, ultimate touch, edge control, to lay down these edges. I like my baby hairs to look natural, so I try to brush them in the direction that they're going already, if that makes sense. Alongside brushing these in the direction that they're already going, like following my hairline, I brush my hairs to go up, like so that they curl at the end. So the end of my baby hairs, it'll have like a little curl coming up, and it's not really stuck to my head. Like, I personally don't like baby hairs that are stuck, like gelled down to your head. That's why I try to curl them up. Y'all, please don't mind my facial expressions. I know I look crazy, but just bear with me, y'all. We almost there. Here you can see I brushed some of my makeup up into my braid, which we don't want, so just spray it with some water and it'll be fine. Now we're going to add a little bit more mousse on my hair, since it kind of dissolved while I was doing my edges, just to prepare before I tie my hair down. Here you guys have a better view at my baby hairs and what I mean by curling them up, to where you can see a curl in them, and they're laid down, but they're not, they're 3D almost. You can definitely see my curl kind of coming up, and we're just gonna lay that down with my headscarf. I personally didn't leave my headscarf on that long, but if you want to leave it on longer or even blow dry your hair to make the process go by faster, you can do so. But yeah, this is really the finished product. It is less frizzy, my edges are laid, my hair is not itchy anymore, and it's refreshed. My braids aren't sewed together in the back anymore, so I just decided to put a ponytail holder on it and call it a day. I think it's just as cute and easier to go about your day. And yeah, that's how I refresh my itchy, frizzy hair. And I will see you guys in my next video.